Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start with two things, the final PDF and the letterhead file. Open both in a PDF editor that supports overlays or a word processor. Once done, set your document page size to letter and match margins so the header aligns. Make sure the printer selected supports manual feed or a dedicated tray, and choose the correct paper source in the print dialog. If your letterhead is physical, load the paper now. Otherwise, import the letterhead as a background or overlay in your editor. Next, you add the letterhead to each page. Use the editor's background or watermark tool or apply as a master page so it repeats. Align the logo and header using guides, zoom to 100% and inspect top and side margins. If the design needs scaling, lock proportions and nudge with 0. 1-inch increments until elements sit in the safe zone. Make sure text layers remain editable and above the letterhead. Preview a sample page to confirm no content is obscured by the header. Now you configure printing. Choose letter size, set scaling to 100% or actual size, and pick the tray or manual feed with your letterhead stock. Print one test page and examine alignment, color, and margin placement under good light. If anything shifts, adjust the master page offsets or tweak printer margin settings and try again. Once the test matches, proceed with the full run. If persistent misalignment or color issues occur, check printer drivers and paper profile, or contact support for a printer-specific fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.